best stunt ever! The foam
This is what I'm telling Mel M. So much people are coming up to me.
I'm doing the best stunt ever! Who is Mel Oh, Mel M. Wait, Phil,
Okay.
you want to do the...
Mel,
Everybody fight it.
save me!
How about let's look up your channel on YouTube?
No, I can't right now.
Serious, who the heck is Mel M?
It's a person that I have a conversation with.
It's a watermelon!
It's not Marmalade. It's Mel M.
Are you recording yet? I don't want to do AR. I'll do the greatest stunt in the world! Shut up! Do it! Don't do it!
Oh, don't do it.
Like and subscribe!
Jesus Christ.
We